Hey, we're doing a little advanced HighLowJack tutorial today. This will be about what we call the Gents Hand, also known as gentleman's hand. This day and age, maybe people don't want to call it that, but we still do here at the HighLowJack Institute. This is when you deal, remember, 3 at a time. And remember, do not pick your cards up till you get all 9. That is just considered rude in HighLowJack. And the really advanced players do not do that. So you get these cards. We're going to show you all the cards here. So the person playing over here will get these cards. Oh, look at this. This just worked out naturally. So each card over here is a 9 or less. There's no 10, there's no jack, there's no queen, there's no king, there's no ace. This is a gent's hand. Let's see if we have another one just by perchance. Nope. These are just, there's a card. See, there's a card. It's a pretty good hand. And over here you have a jack and you have other cards. So there's only one gent's hand. So in a 3-way game or a 2-way game, you can call gent's hand. This person would say gent's hand. He would then show his cards, put them at the bottom, and he would get 9 more cards. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then no gent's hand. He has 2 10s, see? 10 and 10. So he has to play this hand. That's called the gent's hand. Now, one last thing. In a 4-way game, 4-way 9-card game, there is no gent's hand. Why? There's not enough cards. 3 cards, 3 player game, you can do it. 2-player game, you can do it. You can even do it in a 6-card 4-way game, but we don't play that way, generally speaking. That's more for the pitch people. Anyway, Steve Laffey out. We'll be back with another tutorial soon. This is on Gents Hand.